Welcome to John Lewis 3D Learning. In this presentation, we are going to see acids, bases and salts. The topic is chemical properties of acids, especially reactions of acids with sulfides. So metal sulfides, how the acids react. So we have got 7 properties, of which we have seen the first 4 properties already. Reaction with metals. So we have seen reaction with metals. We have seen reactions of acids with bases. We have seen reactions of acids with metal carbonate and bicarbonate. Similarly, reactions of acids with metal sulfides and bisulfides. We have seen all these 4. So in this presentation, we are going to see the 5th one. So what is it? Reactions of acids with metal. So acid plus metal sulfide. We have taken 2 examples here. Zinc sulfide plus hydrochloric acid, the first equation. So zinc sulfide is metal sulfide. How you got the formula ZnS for zinc sulfide? That is what we have to learn. There is no point in simply reading ZnS plus HCl, ZnS plus HCl. We should understand the basic and apply the basics to get the formulas correctly. So here what you get? Zn, valency is 2, sulfide is S, valency is 2. Therefore, if you simplify, 1 is to 1. Therefore, if you interchange, you get Zn1, Sn1. So 1 we need not write. Therefore, formula for zinc sulfide. What is this? Zinc sulfide. IDE, zinc sulfide. Okay, hydrochloric acid, we know that is HCl. So, what is the product form? You should be able to guess from the types of chemical reactions what we learnt already. So, zinc sulfide is a compound, hydrochloric acid is also a compound, hydrogen chloride. Therefore, what will you get? Double displacement reaction. So, the positive ion of the zinc sulfide, no, Zn is positive and sulfide is negative. In hydrochloric acid, hydrogen is positive and chloride is negative. Therefore, the positive ion of the first compound will combine with negative ion of the second compound. What is that? Zinc, and negative ion of hydrochloric acid is chloride. Zinc valency 2, chloride valency 1. Therefore, if you interchange, you will get ZnCl2 plus, and positive ion of the second compound is hydrogen. Negative ion of the first compound is sulfide, yes. Now these two will combine, hydrogen valency 1, sulfide valency 2, therefore we get H2S. So here we are getting ZnCl2 here plus hydrogen sulfide gas. Hydrogen sulfide gas. So here it undergoes double displacement reaction because both are compounds, zinc sulfide plus hydrochloric acid. And now you can guess for the second one on your own. So this is ferrous sulfide or iron 2 sulfide. So iron valency is 2, sulfide valency is also 2. Therefore they get cancelled, 1 is to 1. That is why you are getting FeS. If it is iron 3, the formula would have been totally different. That is what, just by looking at the formula, you should be able to guess what valency it will be. We have seen all these details in the previous video lessons. So chemical reactions, I have given lots of types of chemical equations. No, there I have explained all these things. Okay, here iron 2 sulfide. So iron is positive, sulfide is negative. That is iron, sulfide is FeS. Then sulfuric acid, hydrogen is positive, sulfate is negative. Therefore, positive ion, this iron will combine with this negative ion sulfate and forms iron 2 sulfate. Because iron 2 sulfide, therefore iron 2 sulfate. So both valencies are 2, therefore they get cancelled. Therefore, when you interchange, you get FeSO4. Plus what you get? Positive ion of the acid, that is hydrogen here, and negative ion of the iron 2 sulfide is sulfide, valency 2. And hydrogen valency is 1. Therefore, when you interchange, you get H2S. So this is a gas, hydrogen sulfide gas. So the smell of hydrogen sulfide gas is rotten egg. Rotten egg. So just by getting that rotten egg smell, no, we can understand this reaction is carried out. If there is no rotten egg smell, then we can understand this reaction has not taken place. That is why there is no rotten egg smell. Wherever hydrogen sulfide gas is released, we will get that rotten egg smell. Clear? Hope you understood how acids react with metal sulfides. So they undergo double displacement reaction and releases hydrogen sulfide gas. That is what is the main thing you need to understand. And using this idea, you should be able to write these kind of equations for any metal sulfides. So for example, we have taken zinc sulfide and iron 2 sulfide. Hope you understood everything very clearly. Please click the like button and share it with your friends. Thank you very much for watching. Until we meet next time. Bye bye.